Okay, tonight I'll be going through the full process of scanning in your location, making a digital twin and an augmented reality experience out of that scan. Okay, well, I'm going to add a new anchor just by scanning. I'm surprised at how good it does scanning in low light. Place my anchor. Right there. Same thing here with Polycam. The idea is to find the math between them. The scans on Polycam are decent. They're not like picture perfect, but for your planning and renovation ideas, it's a great starting point. And you could really start putting other furniture and things in here to make it look better. Go here, and boom. So if your scan's not perfect and you want to put something over it, this is where you can do it. Sometimes there's a little bit of snapping. You just gotta get in there a different angle and it'll work. Alright, and then we want to bring it down till it touches the mesh and then above it. Just gonna drag this. Oh, it's the earth. Alright. Wow, it's got a whole thing attached to it. Let's just size it. Find out where it really is. And it's that joyful moment when you only have 10% battery, but the hologram works. It's super stable. Very cool. And then also we got the occlusion going. It's pretty neat. Let's see how far back